Yo, welcome back to another market review. Hope you guys are enjoying your day. We're just going to get right into it. And daily, sell side is taken. Same on ES, sell side is taken. Weekly for value gap, 1 hour. If we zoom in. For ES, we have this Sunday gap. You see that orange line? That's the gap high and that's the gap low. We also have this old swing high that I was expecting to be traded back into, but we never got that. And to be honest, we don't really need to. I think the Sunday gap was probably enough. But after we came higher off of this, so right here, after we came higher and then went back down again, then I was a bit iffy. Are we going lower or are we going higher? Right. Initially, I was looking for higher, and I was only tape reading, so I didn't take any trades. But if we go to the 15-minute, sorry for the mess. We have this hourly for value gap that I just showed. There's consequent encroachment. What did we do at 9:30? We traded higher, had a shallow run on both this buy side. So that's the swing high here. There we go. That's the swing high there. Had a shallow run above that. We come lower, come into the daily CB low, come higher, taking out the buy side fully. Then we come lower. If we go to the 3-minute, honestly, any 5-minute, 4-minute, 3-minute time frame is pretty nice, but I think I prefer the 3-minute. So, matter of fact, I'll show you. 4-minute for value gap, sweep, and then we come lower. Same thing on the 5-minute, but 3-minute looks a bit clearer, right? We have that structure shift, stop loss at the high here, take profit down here in the relative equal lows, and partialing at the consequent encroachment of the BISI. And you could possibly do a partial at the top, at the high of the BISI or the daily CB low, or you could target that 1 hour BISI low. We never ended up getting to the BISI low or taking out these relative equal lows, and that's because it was just unclear, right? It was a low probability day. It was double-sided. We could either go lower and take out the relative equal lows, coming deeper into the hourly for value gap, or we could come into the relative equal highs up here off of that 1 hour for value gap. And that's exactly what we did. After rejecting of the consequent encroachment of the 1 hour BISI, we come higher. We have a short shift here for a value gap, and then we come higher, use this old high, and we use that to come higher. We have that for a value gap here. Could look at it on the 1-minute as well, with a for value gap there, matches with the swing low. We come higher off of that. Again, same sort of thing. We have that swing high. We can use this breaker as well. That's also fine. We reject off of that, coming into this 15-minute gap here for a value gap, come up, 15-minute value gap here, and then the overall draw, which is the relative equal highs up here, we end up meeting. Then now it's sort of a consolidation here. I'm personally expecting higher. That's because we went back into this old swing high. We also have that 1 hour CB high that we might be looking to reject off of. We also, on the higher time frame, have this buy side still. If we go to ES, that might not be the case because we have these SMT sort of thing. It's not really relative equal highs anymore. We could use this as relative equal highs, but it's a bit tricky in my opinion. But the framework is that we have this as a sell side sweep, and then 15-minute for value gap, as well as that old swing high breaker, and hopefully we get a model and then up to this relative equal highs. That would be the best case scenario. Also, we have that hourly gap, which is pretty nice. I don't think there's anything else to talk about here. Actually, there is. Tomorrow is CPI, so it's low probability. It doesn't trade after Wednesday. If there's CPI on the Friday, it's just low probability conditions. Friday, you could trade 8:30, so again, just be de-risked. But overall, we seem to be coming higher. We seem to be coming for those relative equal highs, and on ES is a bit more trickier. I think, again, we're still coming for those relative equal highs. We could come into this bullish for value gap here. It's a possibility, in my opinion. But we're taking out relative equal lows. We're coming for relative equal highs. So likely to just pump higher, honestly. Might not even get that bullish for value gap here. It's possible. If we do come down to this bullish fair value gap, I'd probably look for the consequent encroachment to be hit, or this as a target. This swing high as a target, because it's a old high inside the fair value gap. So that'd be the best case scenario. I think on NQ, again, same sort of thing, relative equal highs, taking out relative equal lows. We don't have that much lows left. So anything else? Nope, I don't think so. Anyhow, see you guys in the next trade review or market review, and peace.